Hello, little learners. Do you know why we celebrate 15 August every year? Let's learn the exciting story of India's Independence Day. A long time ago, India was under British rule for many years. The people of India wanted to live in a free country where they could make their own decisions. Many brave freedom fighters worked hard for India's freedom. They showed courage, unity, and love for our country. Their efforts inspired millions of people. Finally, on 15 August 1947, India became an independent nation. It was a proud and joyful day for everyone. Today, we celebrate Independence Day by hosting Indian flag, singing the national anthem, joining school programs, and remembering our freedom fighters with respect and gratitude. Let us always love our country, help one another, be kind and responsible citizens. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.